Hello. In the next 2 minutes, you'll know exactly what AI business tools are, how they work in smarter real business workflows, and which one to try first. I'm Caroline C. from AI Pro Studios. You already know AI can handle writing tasks, but most people only use it for that. AI business tools go much further. They handle the repetitive pattern-based work, writing, researching, planning, summarizing, not replacing you, taking the tasks that eat your day and doing them in seconds. A writing tool gets you to first draft in minutes, not half a day. Here's what a real week looks like. Monday morning, blog post, 3 social captions, follow-up email, all due Thursday. Without AI, that's 3 hours minimum. With the right tool, it's 40 minutes. You review it, refine it, ship it. The work still sounds like you just didn't start from zero, which means your time goes somewhere better, to the work that only you can do. The question to ask yourself is, what do I repeat every single week that follows the same pattern every time? That's where you start. One task, one tool, one win. Then you build from there. At AI Pro Studios, we've mapped the most practical tools for this. The link is in the description. If this helped, please subscribe and see you soon.